What's going on, guys? It's Raul TV, Team R for you, all your favorite YouTube mechanic. We're back again, and what I'm doing this time round is I've got a Nissan Micra here, 2005-6 kind of thing. I'm going to go ahead and replace the coil spring, the rear coil spring, the easiest job in history. You know, Raul TV is hooking you guys up. We're not going to give you no hard things to do. We want to do the job, relax, sit down, feet up, rest, job done, let's go. Right, reason, you might be thinking, where have I been for the past week? Okay, I've not been posting no mechanical videos, like I mentioned in my other video. It's because I had a wedding to attend to, and I've been busy, right? But we're back again. We're back. Let's go. Let's do it. Right, there we have it. The car is up on the ramp. Like I mentioned, the easiest spring in history. All we need to do is just take that off. I'll put some oil on it, as you can see there. 17 or 18 mil socket head, right? Bolt head, that is. We just need a socket, 18 mil socket or a 17 mil socket. Take that off. The axle comes down. You don't even have to support the axle. If you want it, you can support the axle, but you don't even have to support the axle because we've got this side on. Okay, if we're doing both sides, then obviously you'll need something to support the axle. Because we're just changing one side, we don't need to support the axle. We're just going to take that bolt off, comes down, take the spring off. Let's do it. So we're going to go ahead and take this off. It's an 18 mil socket that you need. Okay, socket, ratchet. To crack it, get a strong arm on it, a breaker bar on it. After that, just take it off, 18 mil socket, ratchet, and just take it off. It could be a 17 mil socket bolt head. If it's a 17 mil bolt head, obviously take it off with a 17 mil. Mine's an 18 mil. It feels a bit loose, actually, to be honest with you. So mine's an 18 mil socket head. We're going to take that off and we'll go from there. Okay, after you've taken the shocker bolt off, one shocker bolt off and one shoulder less. Okay, my shoulder's gone because it was so tight that I had to take it off most of the way with the breaker bar, right? So my shoulder's gone, so one shoulder less and one shocker bolt less. That's okay, that's off now. Okay, now we've got that bolt off. That bolt is totally off. The axle is freestyling. It's going to fall off as soon as I just pull the axle down, the rear axle down. The spring's just going to fall off. Actually, we don't need it. It's broken anyway, so it just comes straight off. That's it. Spring is off. There's two rubbers, one on the top, one on the bottom. Okay, the rubber's fallen off, and it's on that side as well. Make sure you put the rubbers on. Okay, and that's about it. Told you, the easiest spring in history. There it is. There's the new spring. I've put the rubber on the top. The bottom rubber is there. All we do is we're going to pull this down. Okay, I need two hands basically. We're going to pull this down and get the spring in there. Okay, once we've got the spring in there, either push it up slightly or get a little jack on it or a lift on it, and just lift the axle up, get that bolt lined up, job done. Okay guys, when you're refitting it again, I mean, if you're strong enough, you can push this axle up by yourself and put the bolt in. Why struggle and why waste all your energy and everything? You know, we're here for the long run. Okay, so get a little jack on it, a hydraulic lift or whatever you've got, trolley jack. If you're doing it on the floor, trolley jack, make sure it's nice and safe, and just jack it up. Okay, lining up, bang on. We're just going to put that on, tighten that up. Well, that's it guys, job done. Nissan Micra, rear spring, rear coil spring, all done. I told you, the easiest job in history, the easiest spring in history. Just take one bolt off, that's it, you're good to go. That's it. Anyway guys, all I'm going to say is we're back again, right? Like, share and subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell button for me. Leave a comment in the comment section. Raul TV will see you guys soon.